Hindi. We're studying the universe of the files. Kasi nga planning office yan eh. We have to look at the dynamics of the DPWH. Hindi pa kompleto, hindi pa kami nag first conference with them because we were so busy for the past few weeks putting together everything. Kasi nga tuloy-tuloy ito. Tomorrow we're filing a case, no? Sandiganbayan. Tomorrow or Monday, we're filing a case Sandiganbayan. Ano na to? Dire-diretso na to. We just have to, sabi ko nga sa inyo we just have to go to work every day. We have to win every day. And we have to just plod on. Kasi nga, this is not really a glamorous job. It sounds exciting, but until you get to where we are, not everything is a grind. We have to grind it out all the time.
Ombudsman, last na po on my end. You said po na pinag-aaralan na po yung mga files, but...
Hindi, we're studying the universe eh. Kasi yung the way, kasi ano yan eh, pag-planning kasi ng DPWH, doon mo makikita yung dynamics eh, kung paano magtrabaho lahat. So, we're trying to get the views of people we know about how that office functioned. Ano yan eh, we have to get the COA, the DPWH, our office, and PNP, cybercrime group, and the NBI together para maging transparent ang proseso. Para wala tayong tatago dito.
What are you filing tomorrow? I'm sorry. What are you filing?
Basta we're filing tomorrow. Abangan nyo na lang. Hindi na, basta meron na bukas.